Hey everybody, this is a room. Look at the room on the screen. There is a bed in the room. This is a bed. Look at the bed. I see the bed. I see a pillow. Look at the pillow. Look at the pillow. Look under the bed. There is a dog under the bed. Now look at the floor. I see a soccer ball. Look at the soccer ball. The soccer ball is black and white. Black, white, black, white, black. I see blocks on the floor. I see blocks on the floor. On the floor. Look at these blocks. These are blocks. This one is blue. This one is red. This one is orange. This one is green. Blue, red, orange, green. This letter right here is B, the letter B. This is P, R, C. Now look at the desk. This is a desk. I see a chair. I see a lamp. Look at the chair. You look at the chair. The chair is yellow. The lamp is yellow. Look at the lamp. It is yellow. Now look at the window. I see two trees. 1, 2. 2 trees. This is a tree. This is a tree. We see 2 trees. Now, look at the bookshelf. Bookshelf. I see books. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. A lot of books. Many books. Now look at the picture. Picture. I see a picture. This is a sun. Sun. Look over here. This is a basketball. I see a basketball. You see a basketball. That's all for today. Thank you.